I'm not too confident that the clutch is 100%. The clutch is fine. It wasn't wet or anything like that, but there's a few nicks.
What's that?
Why can't we win, bro? Hello? Lekker, you?
Lekker.
I got a kettle running for you.
Oh, the kettle running?
Yeah, brother.
Lekker, man, lekker. Yeah, we'll be there now.
Shot.
We'll be there soon.
Shot.
I'll check it out.
Say good morning to
we'll send
YouTube.
it now.
Say good morning to YouTube.
Hey, morning, YouTube.
Wait. Oh, wait. What's up, YouTube? Yeah, we're back. Today we're working on the ST150. The gearbox was put in, the car was started, everything was fine. Everything was fine until we wanted to take the car for a test drive and it wouldn't catch gears at all. Obviously, based on our previous episode, we realized that, oh no, when we thought the clutch was fine...
The chances of the clutch actually being fine, if you think about it.
Yeah.
From like, oil came out that balancing.
We looked at it from the outside. We didn't take the clutch out and look at it on the inside. And I think that was our mistake.
No, we were happy. Yeah, gearbox out. Okay, clutch look alright.
Yeah,
chances. Yeah.
But yeah,
That's
since
okay.
we wanted to take a shortcut, now we
So you learn.
ended up going the long way. But it's fine. We're learning so much. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do today is we got the clutch. We're gonna put the clutch in, and hopefully we get to take the car for a test drive.
So, without further ado,
Yes, let's go.
get-
Yeah.
No, I think the wheel can stay, huh?
Can't even do it. We'll be struggling forever here.
What you busy? What?
It's just coming off here.
So we need a few things. So we're gonna go to the shop and go get those things. We literally need a 19 socket and we can't find one. So we're gonna buy one. You wanted to give it then, eh?
No, wrong one.
We're just stopping for coffee.
Oh, okay.
Right, so we're back now, and yeah, we had to buy a hose because this hose over here is broken. So we're replacing that. he had to get himself a spanner. Not a spanner,
19
socket.
socket.
19 socket. I keep saying spanner. I don't know why. And then we bought these. So power steering fluid, brake fluid for when we bleed the clutch, and coolant.
And you bought brake pads.
Well, I bought brake pads a long time ago. As you can see, I just haven't put it in the car because the car was standing for a while. So maybe today.
You probably have the lowest mileage 150.
Nah, this thing's on 199, bro.
There's a guy in Boxburg with one, last I checked, it was on 86,000.
He doesn't drive the car. So
You see the condition of that car.
he's yet to experience any type of problems.
Yeah, it's coming.
He's a,
No parts.
yeah, he's just coming. There's nothing left, bro. There's nothing left, bro. I mean, as it stands, there's nothing left on this car.
Already, yeah.
Nah. Right, boys. Gearbox is out. After struggling, because we thought all the bolts were loose, but all the bolts were not loose. So now we ended up making a 5-minute job, a 45-minute job. But yeah, it's out. That is our issue. We gotta get that off so we can put the new one on. Well, it's not actually new. It's a second-hand clutch, but it's really good. It's really, really good. So the reason this one's coming out is because when the gearbox failed, the clutch was contaminated by the implosion. So there's absolutely no clutch at all, which is crazy because few months before the car gave in, I mean, the clutch was replaced, the gearbox was replaced. So, you know, these things happen. Okay, so if you look at that
Well, never mind, check here.
yeah, so we've got some damage on the clutch.
Don't find it's an 11.
But I'm interested in seeing what's on the other side of this thing.
The oil is just sit here.
Yeah, it's oil. That's why it's slipping. Well, it's actually gone entirely.
Not supposed to look like that. Huh?
We're looking for contamination inside.
Yeah, right.
Inside there. And this, look how fresh is this thing, bro.
Right.
From this angle, I can actually see oil here.
Got contaminated for sure, that sucks, man.
It does suck.
Let me check this out.
Okay. Okay, guys, out with the old and in with the new to us.
It's brand new second hand, bro.
Yeah, bro. And it's a lot better.
Brand new second hand.
As you guys saw, it actually catches. Unlike the other one that's contaminated, it doesn't catch at all. Okay guys, it's quite dark as you can see the sun. The sun sets pretty early. What's the time now?
6 o'clock.
Okay, it's almost 6 o'clock, 10 to 6. And gearbox is in. I keep saying this. It's like people are like, we know the gearbox is in, my guy.
Said it how many times?
How many times?
Every time they see a new clip, they're like, check, the gearbox is
Check,
in.
check, gearbox is clean. Check, 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 check. It was a very, very funny sound upon start. The car started in first. It was all good. The clutch seems to work, but then we heard like a noise. Well, let's see. Dylan's gonna start it up.
Check your power steering pump.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I heard that.
Is it not? Maybe that's off. But she's moving, eh?
Car's moving, but that sound bothers the hell out of me, dude. It's like grinding.
Thank God, we're almost there.
Yep.
I'm sure she wants to let's go, guys. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, dude. This car probably wants to drive.
Does.
Huh?
You have to feel it, bro.
I'm feeling for myself, bro. Come on.
I think you're gonna find it difficult having this car in this country.
Dude, I find it difficult right now.
She doesn't listen now.
Oh, wow.
It's just that noise.
Come on, dude.
Yes, yes. Why can't we win, bro?
We win every time,
We do.
but we just don't win enough.
We win. No. I think this is it. What we set out to do,
We do,
we do,
100%.
and then other things
Yeah.
come and, dude, I
It was
believe
quiet.
we just did something wrong. I don't think anything broke.
Nah, but what did we do wrong? Clutch lines, gearbox went in.
What?
We talked the gearbox, we talked the mounts, we talked everything. I don't know.
Lights though.
Yeah, bangers too.
Ah, dude.
Everything was right.
Everything is right. She sounds fantastic.
Besides when you leave the clutch.
Yeah. But the
But she
clutch feels
moves
great,
lekker,
bro.
man.
The clutch feels fine.
Moves lekker, man.
So what is it? That's my question.
It's a bedding. For sure.
I'm sure it's one of those.
You can hear it.
Yeah.
You can hear it.
Definitely that.
You can hear it, bro.
Well, we'll figure it out another day.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah,
And,
short sounds.
Subscribe for more.